Hello friends, we welcome you to our channel The Desi Girls Explorers. Here's my son who's painted his own room. He's all happy and excited. This video captures the glimpse.
Hi guys, welcome to my mom's channel. Today we are going to paint our room. So the things we need are paints, rulers, brush and tray. So let's start the painting. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy.
Yes, a lot of drama. He was really excited to paint his own room. So we start with some cleaning. We're trying to clear off his table and his room so that we have space to paint and decorate his room here. Yeah, a little help needed here and there. So we all got involved. Yeah, he's trying to show you all something which we couldn't understand as well. But very excited again. We had to put in a lot of efforts ourselves. So, moving the bed and trying to arrange things, making things clear. Here we see that, apart from actually working, he was doing a lot of fun. Yeah, a little bit of dancing here and there as well. So we started our painting with white. So what we actually thought is, instead of putting absolutely a new color, we might as well renew the color which we already had. So we started with white painting. We actually started off the painting here, and you see how happy he is to do so. The idea was to spend some fun time and making the room very clean, so nothing to do very drastic. So you see here, we both of us are working, and we are actually covering the marks which is there on the white walls with the white color, and too much of efforts from both of us. Sometimes he used to just vanish. Here you see he was actually exhausted with all the coloring that he had done till now. So time to change the color. We used blue. Changing the color actually brought a new excitement in him. We had thought that one of the walls should be painted blue, and here you see his excitement is all new again. During this entire process of decorating and painting his room, we spent a lot of time with each other. So we spoke to each other, we discussed things, we created new ideas, we discussed about the colors, but we also fought. Here you see that we both wanted to use the same roller only. But yes, it was a perfect quality time spent with each other. Some discussions, some laughter, but we both had a good time with each other.
mom is doing coloring. Now I'm tired. And the blue color is taking a lot time. I don't know how much time it will take. Maybe it will take 24 hours.
After we finished the painting, we actually thought that we needed to decorate the room with a few stickers here and there. So here you see he's put up some beautiful stickers which made the room look a little more brighter and funny. Some important words by some important people, very important for kids to keep seeing such things. This room is now over. We kind of have put in a lot of effort to make this room look neat. More than making it absolutely perfect, this was a perfect time for fun and excitement for both of us. We had a good time with each other, and a lot of hard work by my son as well.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.